Ever wanted to run Android on your PC? Using a virtual machine is the easiest way to do it. I'm going to show you how to set up Android x86 on VMware in just a few steps. First, you need the Android operating system. Go to the official Android x86 website. This is an open source project that ports Android to the PC. Look for the latest stable release and download the ISO file. This is the file we'll use to install Android inside VMware. Open VMware. From the home screen, click Create a new virtual machine. Select the custom setup. Choose I will install the operating system later. For the guest operating system, select Linux and choose other Linux 5.x kernel 64-bit or the latest equivalent. Name your virtual machine. Give it at least 2 GB of memory and 2 processor cores. Choose the bridge networking option for the best internet connection. For the hard disk, create a new virtual disk and give it at least 8 GB of storage. Before you turn on the virtual machine, you need to load the Android ISO file. Go to your VM settings, click on the CD or DVD option, and select Use ISO image file. Browse to the Android x86 ISO you downloaded. Also, go to the display settings and check the box for Accelerate 3D graphics. Now, power on your virtual machine. It will boot from the ISO. Use the arrow keys to select the installation option. Just follow the on-screen prompts to create a new partition, format it as an ext4 file system, and install Android. When it asks to install the bootloader, select Yes. Once the installation is complete, reboot the virtual machine. Remove the ISO, and the Android x86 will boot up. You'll be able to use a full Android environment right on PC.